Government of Arunachal Pradesh, Department of Urban Development and Housing is proud to launch the Fecal Sludge Management Project in Namsai, Chaukham, Tezu and Rowing. ACE Alliance is a 25-year-old company specializing in electromechanical installations. Since its inception, the company has focused on harnessing the power of science and technology. Our in-house design and execution team integrates precise planning and prompt execution in delivering value to our customers. Located within a forest in Namsai, Arunachal Pradesh, our facility is committed to preserve the ecology and biodiversity of the site. The entire project was designed around the existing trees without the need to fell a single tree. We begin by collecting details of individual septic tanks and analyzing the data. Our team then devises a plan for the most efficient septage collection method. Our specially trained team leaves early in the morning with their equipment for septage collection. Our sludge collection vehicles are state-of-the-art, equipped with powerful suction pumps which effectively collects even the heavy sludge from the bottom of the septic tanks. The collected sludge is screened before it is stored in the collection tanks at our facility. All foreign objects like various plastics and bottles are removed. ACE Alliance has developed an innovative system which is modern, energy efficient and hygienic. We call the system the ACE Alliance F-STP 360. The collected sludge is first treated in a UASB reactor which digests any remaining untreated sludge that may be present. The dehydrator separates the sludge from the liquid. The dehydrated sludge is then collected to make fertilizer. The liquid residue from the dehydrator is treated in a unique anaerobic, aerobic, anaerobic biological treatment cycle. This treated residue is then filtered in a pressured sand and carbon filter. This makes the treated water crystal clear and ready for release into the environment while meeting all norms. At the same time, the treated sludge is dried in a heat pump chamber. This removes all moisture using a desiccant-coated molecular moisture recovery wheel. This process is unique, energy efficient and not affected by the ambient humidity. The treated and dried sludge now becomes black gold and is ready for packing to be used as non-agricultural biofertilizer. Our black gold is stored in a cool and dry shelter for 3 months before it is released for use. The clean and treated water is tested and released into a large pond within our facility itself. Our in-house lab is equipped to test and confirm the parameters of treated effluents like BOD, COD, total nitrogen, phosphorus and others, ensuring that the discharge is safe and meets all environmental norms. Our top priority is health and hygiene. We ensure that all our team members are provided with the best health and safety equipment. We have established a multi-purpose conference cum training facility to impart trainings and conduct essential reviews. Our campus is designed to be totally in sync with nature. We live by our motto, nature above self. The entire treatment plant is designed to run on solar power during the day and generates more than it needs. Our overall power requirement is net zero. As foot soldiers of the environment, our mission is to collect waste and convert it into a resource. We strive to protect and preserve nature and make the world a better place. ACE Alliance is a vibrant team of engineers and domain experts who have come together to make the impossible possible.